Okay, so I will just show you about. I will just show my. This is a site, choice option, CHOICEOPTION.in. In this choice option.in, you can see everything about the company when we started and everything. Okay, and about the membership, what all we do and what our goal is, everything. Okay, and apart from this, there are in the when you go to the services section over here, you just need to go to services section. Your screen. Is it with everyone? Aren't you able to see my screen? Just say yes or no, because I've shared my screen. Just check. Yeah, we are able to see it. Okay, then that's very good. Murthy sir, you just rejoin it so that you'd be able to see it. I guess there's some problem with your end only. Okay, so you can see our website over here. This is our services which we have been providing. Okay, we provide calls in choice, stock options, stock futures, index options, index futures. Okay, and stock MCX. Okay, we have given every details over here for intraday trading. We provide around 1 to 2 calls daily. Risk to reward ratio of 1:3, and we give around 1 month support, and the minimum charges is only 2000 rupees, as you people already know. Okay, apart from this, there is this Allies Blue link over here. When you go to this services section, there is this logo, Allies Blue's logo over here. If you go to this Allies Blue's logo, you will find an option saying click here to open an account. You just need to go there, click here to open an account, and open an account under you can see 8985. Okay, you see it over here. You have to confirm that it is 8985, and you have to put your details and everything and submit. And there are certain benefits, okay, when you open an account with us. Okay, and one of the benefit is this tool also, which I'm going to tell you about. So whenever you register over there, we will receive a mail like this. Okay, and you just need to check with us whether we have received the mail or not. Okay, fine. And there are other benefits which I will be sharing you in some time. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'll just jump into our strategy, like what we have actually developed and how it is worked. Okay, and after sometimes when is my screen clear now? Are you able to see? Yeah, yeah. Are you people like how are you feeling like now? Actually, this particular moment is going to change your life. Okay, how you see stock market is going to change everything for you. Okay, and it's one of fantastic thing we have ever developed, and it's working really tremendously well. Okay, it works tremendously well. Okay, and the course we have developed, the course is combined with this particular tool. Okay, so the course which we take that actually helps you understand this better. Okay, but in this particular webinar, we are only going to talk about this particular system only. Okay, so I will explain you all the remaining things as well. So you can see it over here. The thing is, there is this channel voice is getting disturbing. Okay, I guess sir, there's an internet connection problem from your side, Shri sir. Okay, you just check with your connection, because everyone else are getting the voice perfectly. Okay, okay then. So you can see it over very clearly. There is this red channel, okay, and a green channel. Okay, whenever this red channel is posted, it means that it is a resistance level. Okay, red stands for resistance, and whenever there is a green stands for support. Okay, that's a simple thing. We don't need to draw any pivot levels or anything. We have mentioned everything over here, and this is what the resistance and the support will be. Yes, sir. Pankaj Agarwal, sir. Yeah, you can use it for Bank Nifty futures as well. You can use it wherever you want to. Even if you are trading with crude oil or zinc or anything, commodity, equity, even forex, you can do it. Okay, you can do it in anything. But this works perfectly well on this particular Nifty, Bank Nifty futures, and our Indian stocks, because we have designed it mostly for our Indian stocks only. Okay, so in when we trade with our Indian stocks, then it mostly gives you perfect signals, because we have tried our best to develop a tool for Indian stocks only. What about Bank Nifty options? Obviously, sir, if it works for Bank Nifty, then obviously it means Bank Nifty options also is good. Understood? Because Bank Nifty option prices are actually derived from spot, right? And it works tremendously well in spot. And if it is working tremendously well in spot, then obviously it means that it will work tremendously well in even the options and futures as well. Which platform you are using, sir? I'm using TradingView platform, sir. I will tell you everything. Okay, you don't need to really worry. There is this platform called TradingView. You just need to type TradingView in your Google, and you will be redirected. I will show it to you, sir, if you don't really know. Marathi, sir. Okay, I will show it to you how to open this trading this tool. Okay. Okay, so you can see it very clearly whenever there is a arrow, and at the same time the price, okay, the candles are forming below this channel. Okay, if the candles are forming just below this red channel, okay, and the candles are a red candles, okay, the candles are red candles, which indicator user, this is a particular this is our personal indicator which we have developed. Okay, this is the trading tool. uh, Prasad sir, accuracy, you are asking about accuracy. You don't need to know any accuracy. You just have a look on everything, and you judge yourself like how accurate it could be. Okay, because I will be showing you a few more charts, whichever you ask me, and you can see the accuracy over there. Okay, and you tell me in the last, like, how much accuracy could this have? Because I myself think that this has an accuracy of more than 85%, nearly 80 to 85%. It has got accuracy as far as I have seen it. Okay. No, sir, Mahendra, sir, you haven't missed anything. Okay. So whenever these red candles are formed, okay, whenever this red candle starts to form, you have to sell. There is nothing else. You have to sell. Like the this red candle started forming at a price. I will just check the price. I will show you. This is Nifty chart. Okay, as you can see very clearly, and this is on the day. This is on the 1st of July. Okay, you can see it anything whichever you want, but I have personally, because it would be most understanding to you, because I have actually marked these levels on that particular day, so that's the reason I'm showing it to you. Okay, so whenever this green red candles are, so you sell. When the green candles are formed, you buy. That's it. There's no other logic. And when yellow candles are formed, okay, you can see red for sell, green for, that's it. And yellow, whenever even if you are into any of the trade and a red, yellow candle is formed, that it means that you have to exit from the trade. That's it. There's nothing rocket science over here. It's a simple tool which we have developed. Okay, yellow candle means no trade, red candle means you have to sell, green candle means you have to buy. Isn't this simple? And when these arrows are formed over here, you can see these arrows, these pyramids. So whenever these things are formed, that means this is choice option tool, sir. You can see the name over here. This is choice option tool. Okay, this is a personal tool. Okay, whenever this red candle starts to form, it works. I have used 5 minutes time frame, sir. Anuj sir, I have used 5 minutes time frame, but you can use it as per your convenience. Like if you trade for intraday, then 5 minutes is really good, and if you trade for positional, you can do end of the trade trading as well. Okay, that is also fine. But I my personally I do intraday trading, so I have developed it. I mean, I have put a 5 minute start, and generally people only do intraday. Okay, that is more focused. Okay. Okay. No, Mahendra sir, currently you don't have this access to this tool, and I only can do this. Yes, sir, Mukesh sir. That is this simple. What you have to do whenever the red candles are formed, okay, whenever the red candles are formed, you have to sell. Whenever the green candles are formed, you have to buy, and you have to check whether the price, whether there is this arrow. Whenever this red arrow is formed, and red candles, red arrow plus red candles. Okay, red arrow plus red candles. Then you have to sell green candle with green arrows. You have to buy. Yes, Mahendra Reddy sir, I have everything. Okay, I have my Telegram group. I will just share it to you afterwards. I will tell you everything. How you can get the access to this tool. Okay, I will share everything to you. In yellow zone, some green candles are also forming. Okay, Divyansh Bohra. He's saying that in yellow zone there are certain green candles are also forming. Okay, so whenever you enter a trade, okay, and this yellow zone starts, okay, even a single candle, yellow candle is formed, you don't trade, okay, unless and until you don't get next trade, okay. When you get a next trade, you will get a next trade whenever a green candle is formed with a arrow, okay, a green candle is formed with a arrow, and if you when will you get the next sell, when there is a red candle with a downside arrow, okay, and when do you exit, okay. So here you can see on this particular level it is 11:25 1st of June 2020, okay. uh, no, sir. You have to see at candle bottom. Yes, sir. Okay. So this particular at this moment, in this particular moment, you can see it very clearly. Green candle started forming. At the same time, there is arrow which has formed. Okay. Once this arrow is formed, then it means that you can actually go with a very good lot. Okay, so you can see it over here. If you would have bought around 10,331 minute, I will just check. Yeah. So 10,340. If you have bought and I have put some levels over here. This is target one, which is mentioned at 10,377. It means we have already accumulated around 37 points over here. And when do we exit? If you are very cautious and if you are a scalping person, okay, like I myself is a scalper, so I will exit over here only with taking around 30 points. That is more than enough for a scalper. But a person who expects a big returns, then he can actually wait for the next arrow to form. So whenever this red arrow is formed, we have entered for a buy signal and a red arrow is formed, then it means that we sell over there. We exit our trade over there. Okay, understood? Clear? When the arrow will form opening of the candle or okay. It will form whenever that forms. You have to enter the trade. So that is the simple. Okay. Okay. You understood everything. Whenever the yellow candle is formed, it means that now it is going to be a consolidation. Okay, even you can use this particular yellow candles as an advantage, because in my particular course which I take, I teach you a strategy where this consolidation also helps. So whenever these yellow candles are formed, you can go for another one strategy which I have personally developed. Okay, Shrisha Bhatt sir, he's asking for stop loss. Perfect, sir. Stop loss would be if you have entered a buy signal. Okay, you have to put at the bottom of this channel. This is red channel, red line. You can see it over here. That will be a stop loss. Like if you had entered over here, so you would be putting your stop loss at 10,300 and around 30 or 34, maybe I don't know. Yeah, that's it, sir. Uh, in yellow zone. So in yellow zone there is this red red candle is also formed. Yes sir, even if a red candle is formed in yellow zone and there is no arrow, then you should not enter the trade. Okay, you should not enter the trade. You can see it over here. The stop loss is pretty low. The stop loss is only around 10 to 15, at most 20 points, and you can easily have a profit of around 30 points minimum, and obviously more than that is obviously okay to us. Isn't this great? Like I personally have seen, because I do trailing stop loss. I don't put stop loss will hit first, or the tool will give sell signal first. Obviously, sir, stop loss won't hit in my tool. Okay, please show in Bank Nifty. Okay, you want me to show you Bank Nifty? I will show it to you. I will show it to you later on, sir. Bank Nifty, I will show it to you in last. Okay. If you have any equity stocks, you just ask me. I will show you equity stocks. Bank Nifty is special, so I will show it to you later. Do you have any equity stocks in your mind? Just post everything. Okay, there are people who have doubts till now. Okay, if you have doubts, then I will ask. I will first clear the doubts. At the end of the day, there is a red arrow, and price has come towards the ban. Yes, sir. Whenever the red arrow is formed, you have to exit. That is our. You will book your profits. Okay, like in this case, you can see it over here. Okay, in this, you can see it over here. Whenever the red candle is formed, you have to sell, exit the trade. Okay, understood? Yeah. Okay, people are asking many questions. Okay, there are many stocks which people are want me to ask. Okay, I will just see. Yeah, people are asking Adani Ports. Okay, Adani Ports. Adani Ports. I'll check Adani Ports. Adani Ports. Yeah, you can see Adani Ports over here. Adani Ports. Okay, the green candle started forming over here, right? And it starts walking. Okay, once this happens, you can see how great profit you would have made. And here you can see at this point you enter the it shows you earlier only that now the trend is going to change. Okay, you can see Adani Ports. Whoever asked Adani Ports, you can see. Okay, someone is asking Bharti Airtel. Okay, Bharti Airtel. I will show it to you. Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel. 1 minute. Yeah, Bharti Airtel. Okay, people are asking Bharti Airtel. Yeah, you can see it on this particular day. There were two trades. On this particular day, there were two trades. Okay. You can see it over here. The price went up when this first signal was done. Like I will show you to like what was the price exactly. You received this at 562. Okay, and at 562, and when were you asked to enter the exit the trade? It is at 573. So 562 on 573, it is almost 10 points, and it is very difficult for anyone to book 10 points in intraday. But still, our strategy has developed it, and we are able to do that. And whenever these pyramids are formed, you can see these pyramids. It means that it's going to be a stronger trend. Okay, it is going to be a stronger trend. Understood? Okay, we will take one more. We will take few more. Okay, we will. Okay, someone is asking Grasim. Why Grasim? They want to test my tool. So yeah, asking such thing. Grasim Industries. Okay. Yeah, Grasim. Yeah, perfect, sir. Grasim. Yeah, you can see Grasim gave a green signal and momentum over here, and it was really good. Okay, Grasim, even Grasim also. That's perfect. Okay, someone is asking Hero Motocorp. Okay, Hero. I will just check whether it works. Hero Motocorp. Yeah, Then people are asking many, okay, so I wanted to check everything. Fine. So I will check as many as I possible. I've already checked 4 to 5 now. So here you can see a green signal, green started forming, and you enter the trade over here, okay, and you exit over here. You can see around it started at 2664 and it 272664 around 50 points, sir. That is perfect. Okay, that is perfect. And okay, I will take one more last. Okay, I will take one more last. I will take one more. Okay, people are asking SBI life insurance. Perfect, sir. SBI life. I will check SBI life. SBI life insurance. Yeah. Okay, Reliance also. Okay. I will check Reliance as well. Okay, for you people, I will check Reliance also. Okay, you can see Reliance, SBI. Okay, SBI gave perfect. And even in my course, I actually teach you like what stocks you should pick for the next day, which are going to perform really well. Okay, even that will help you tremendously. Okay, I will show you how to pick stocks for next day. I teach you many things over there. In the next few minutes. I will teach you like what all things you should consider. Okay, what all things. So yeah, SBI Life is perfect. It has till now almost all the stocks which people have asked and which are have worked perfect. Okay, Reliance. I will check Reliance. Okay, what's the problem? Reliance. Yeah, Reliance Industries. Okay, Reliance Industries. Yeah. Okay. Reliance Industry was a sideways market, but at the end of the day, you can see it over here. It didn't hit our stop loss, okay, but it didn't. It we could have. You see, we entered over here and we exited at the same place in the earlier morning. But in the afternoon, when you check afternoon, yes, sir, Pankaj sir, you can do BTST as well. Okay, so you can see it over here. When you entered over here, you could have booked at least uh, 6 to 10 points here over here. Pankaj sir, I teach that in my course. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, people are asking Apollo. Why Apollo? Apollo, Apollo, Apollo. Yeah, even Apollo in the last few minutes, you can see it over here. Yeah, it worked really good. Yeah, you got a signal over here and booked some profit over here, and again you could have entered at this point. Okay, okay, that's it. I've already taken around 10 to 12 charts. Okay, so now I will go with Bank Nifty as some people asked for Bank Nifty. Okay, you can see it over here in Bank Nifty. So, how many points do you expect in Bank Nifty? You can see. Okay, in Bank Nifty, you can see how many good points. It gave you around you could have exited at this green line which we have drawn over here. Okay, that's the level which we tell you minimum 100 points. Yeah, it has given more than 100 points, sir. Okay, perfect, sir. So that's it. Okay, I've taken almost more than 50. I mean, more than 15 charts for you people. Okay, so now I will just tell you like how you can actually take this tool. Okay, how you can take this tool. Are you people ready to know how you can take this tool? How you can get the access to this tool? Yeah. Okay. So the key first thing is you have to open an Allies Blue account with us. Okay. And apart from that, we have these two courses which we have developed, and in these courses there are much greater things than our tool. Okay, our tool is perfectly good, and we teach you tremendous strategies in the our courses over here. So our courses is diamond membership and double diamond membership. You have to take our membership, okay, which will cost you around 4,999 rupees. okay, which is very minimal. People are taking around 50,000, 60,000 for nothing. Okay, what I have one of my student who came to me. He paid 60,000 rupees to some people. Okay, I don't want to take their name, but what did they teach you? You know, they taught him confluence. That if RSI and Supertrend both are saying buy, then you buy. They taught him that for 60,000 rupees. Okay, that's it. I mean, like, I don't understand why these people cheat. Okay, so it's okay, but we will be providing you pure gold over here. Okay, so there is this two memberships which we provide. One is diamond membership, and another one is double diamond membership. So in diamond membership, we teach you basics to advance, even in case you don't know anything about stock market. Recently, there was a student who even didn't know how a candle is formed. He didn't even know that, and now he knows everything. Okay, I will be. And one more thing, you just save my number if you haven't saved my number. Okay, everyone, just save my number now. Write it down somewhere. Okay, so my number is 9503139 578. You can see it over here. Okay, 9503139 578. You have to save my number, and I post everything. I mean, I put status. You just check my status. Okay, okay. You just check my number, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me over there. You have to save my number, and I will put messages over here. Okay. Yeah. So in Diamond membership, I take basics for advanced of stock market. Okay, and I teach you technical analysis, how to do technical analysis, and I teach you price action patterns. There are around 15 strong patterns and around 20 patterns which works tremendously well. Okay, so I teach you all those patterns which have been a bread and butter for myself in this past years. Okay, and you can do the same thing. So, and apart from this, all these teachings and everything, I take around 1 month, 24 into 7 follow up. If you even have any doubt, okay, I will catch with you, and I will share. I mean, if you have any doubt, I solve it in the group and everything. Okay, we have even discussion groups as well where you can discuss among yourself like what exactly was today's market and everything. And I if find anything incorrect which you people are going into, and I clear your doubts and everything, like why market actually went up, down, or anything you want to know. Okay, and apart from this, you will be given this tool, choice option trading tool, for free. Okay, this is the only way you can get this tool. Okay, you have to subscribe to diamond membership. Okay, you have to subscribe to diamond membership. And apart from all these things which I told you, that is basic set to advanced stock market, technical analysis and everything. Okay, yeah, okay. Apart from all these things, you will be getting our choice option trading tool for free. Okay, okay. And when you really perform great, okay, so we you can also take double diamond membership, but only thing is you have to be a diamond membership first, and then only you will be a double diamond membership. Okay, you can take double. In double diamond membership, apart from this particular tool, we teach you BTST, okay, swing trading techniques, trading weekly options, option hedging strategies, and there are 2 to 3 more tools which we have developed. Those tools will also be given to you free of cost. You don't need to pay anything to us. Clear, everyone? Okay, and you have to open an account. Okay, if you already have an account with us, then that is perfectly good. Okay, and how do you open an account? You just need to go to choice options over here, and you have to go to choice option, click here to open an account, and then you get your account. So whenever you open an account with us, Okay. Apart from what I have already told you, these are few benefits which you going to get. You will get a lifetime free premium tips. Okay. You will get lifetime free premium tips, all segments, Nifty and Bank Nifty futures options, at least 2 to 4 calls daily. Okay. And there would be MCX calls with gold and crude, 2 calls every day. And I've already shared the link to you. There is this link here as well. You can find it in my Telegram group also. And if you need any help, like how to open an account with us, okay, you can directly contact us. You WhatsApp us. You mail us the PAN card number, date of birth, and everything, whatever the details are required, and we will help you in registering Allies Blue. Okay, you understood what all everything is required to open an account with us, and apart from this, how can you get an access to our tool? You got that, every one of you? Brokerage over here is very less, sir. Okay, please show true. Okay, understood, everyone? So, how many people are here who really have understood this particular tool and are very excited to join us? Just tell me first. Okay, there is this simple thing. You have to learn, you have to put some efforts, and everything is okay, everyone. Yeah, many people are there who are interested. Perfect, sir. That is perfect. I'm really over. That's a overwhelming response which I have got. Okay, understood, everyone. Yeah. How long is the course for, and is the tool access lifetime? Yes, sir. Amit, sir. For now, okay. For now, those people who register us now, okay, they will have this tool access for a long time. This lifetime, okay. And but we are thinking of rechanging this structure to only monthly basis. Like if you want this tool, I will be giving it to you only monthly basis. Okay, but for now, we haven't restructured our policies. But in future, we might. So please register my course as soon as possible. Okay. Understood. And I have already, there is this Telegram group. Okay. There is this Telegram group, which I will be you save all my numbers. Everyone save my numbers. I'll be putting a Telegram group link in your message box in WhatsApp. You join that group. From tomorrow onwards, we will be putting the live performance of our tool. Okay. And you can check for next 2 to 3 days very easily. Duration, sir, it is going to be 1 month, 1 month support, sir, 1 month clear. Okay. And if you want double diamond membership, okay, then you have to perform really good. Okay, only those people who have performed really good are eligible for double diamond. Okay. In case you have any doubt, you can directly contact me on WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, no class is it? What's a no class, Ravi sir? Yes sir, there is class. There will be there will be around 12 hours of teaching. Okay, there will no, it's not only support. There will be 12 hours of teaching. Okay, everyone understood? There will be 12 hours of teaching. Okay, I will be teaching you for 12 hours. It's a 12 hours course, and apart from that, there will be 1 month support. You will be getting this tool for free. Okay, understand, everyone? Okay, perfect, sir. Yeah. Okay, then everyone. Okay, then now what I will be now we will turn to since we have 15 minutes left. Uh, yes, Abhishek, sir. We teach from basics to advanced everything. In first, like 1 to 2. In case there are people who don't really know anything. Okay, like there are people who don't really know anything about stock market. So we take a special class for those people and we give a brief of basics, everything. But in the pure class, which I'm talking about, in those class we teach advanced things, okay, everything. Okay, those people, they are my students also over here. So, sir, you put, I will tell you, if you have any doubt, I will tell you in the group, okay? It will be an online class, sir. Srinivasa, it's going to be an online class, but in future, obviously, we are thinking to conduct offline class as well. But now, for now, since this in Corona thing, everything is not going perfectly, so it's going to be difficult for a classroom thing. Okay, what will be the timing for the course? Is it early morning or evening? Amit sir, it's most probably if in the weekdays, then it will be evening only. Okay, and there are certain batches that is comes under first come first serve. Whoever comes first, they will be given the first slot. Okay, those people will be considered first. Okay, they can have their preferences like yeah, early morning or evening. Okay, they can have the preferences, and those who come last, if the slots are already full, then they won't really have any preferences. Okay, so that's the reason. If you that's the reason you have to register a course as fast as possible. Okay, everyone. Okay, then. So now I will be teaching you a long term strategy, like how you can perform really good in long term.